Groups are a good way to organize your virtual machines inside a VirtualBox. First off, to create a group, select the virtual machine that you want to group, and then go ahead and select Group. Note that the virtual machine has to be powered off. Now we have a new group for our virtual machine. You can also think of these as folders. I can rename the group by right-clicking and then saying Rename Group. Once you have a group, you can also move other machines out of a group by dragging them out. You can move those machines into a group by dragging them in. And you can reorder machines within a group, again by dragging the order.